Alright guys, we have it. Here she is. The Ghostbusters Ecto-1. Set number 10274. 2,352 pieces. This retails for $200. And here's the back. It's a little damaged, but that's alright. Here's the top. I love this new 18 plus box art. This box art is so good. It's 18 plus, yep. So, without further ado, let's get her open. Alright, so we're gonna open it from this side. Alright, if I can actually get her open. Here, do this. It's easier like this. Bam. And bam. Alright. Let's see. Here, I'll bring them out. I'll stand it up like this. I will bring them out as we get. Alright. Bag 9. $10. $3. Here, I'll sort them. There you go. Oh, by the way, it's another 9. This is a 5. Ooh, here are those pieces. Cool. You get 3 of those. 5. 2. Here, you know what? I'll just dump it out. Oh boy. Oh boy, that might have been a mistake. Alright, another 10. Here. I will get these, I will be right back and I will get these all sorted. So, I'll be right back. Alright, so here they all are sorted. So, we got 2 of each bag except for bag number 6. So, we got 2 ones, so it goes all the way up to number 12. And we got this. And then we still got something else to open. The manual, which I really hope isn't damaged because one of his tape is already cut, so it's not good, but here we go. Oh boy. Yeah, and the stickers. So good, the manual and stickers are not damaged. So that is good. Let me just put this inside the box. There we go. So with these rust stickers, these, all these, and these I will not be putting on because I want it to look more like the original Ecto-1 than just the actual Ecto-1. Ooh, those are silver. You can see the shine. That's cool. But yeah. I will do a speed build of this right now. So after a speed build, I'll do a review. And without further ado, let's get her built.
Junk is empty bottles scattered on my dirty floor. Carries the clothes, looking at daylight, and police are knocking on my door. One by one, I hold you in. They drop, then they get in. Burn that bridge and burn this land with bullets and gin. Anyway, we're gonna die. One moment, forever. After that, I lose time. Down and bend the mirrors, got a full tank of bad memories.
Alright guys, here she is. This is a final product, the completed Ghostbusters Ecto-1. My god, this thing is a beauty. So first, let's go over the functions. So this knob right here, it does turn the wheels, as you can see. That's cool. And then when you actually roll it, the sniffer and this is the sniffer and this is the this doesn't have a name, but the half dish, it rotates. So that's really cool. And then obviously you have the ladder right there. I did not put any of the rust on, you can see. And then this door opens, and the steering wheel actually controls the wheels. If I move it, you can see that moving. And then in there you can see a bag of Stay Puffed marshmallows, which I think is pretty cool. And then up top here you can see we have all this different ghost busting equipment. The big windshield piece. Oh, just knocked that off. Just put that on. And then this button here, it actually pushes out the gunner seat. So that's awesome. And then you just push on this button here, and this will just go back in, and it will rotate by itself. So, and that just goes back in like that. And then back here, and that's the Stay Puft marshmallow falling out again. Those just go in there. And then back here, if we pull out this, maybe. I don't know. Hold on, let me try this. Yeah. Doesn't like me. Yeah, it doesn't like me for whatever reason. Huh. Yeah, there we go, kind of, I guess. Yeah, but that opens up this trapdoor to, work. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. One more shot. We'll give it one more shot. I don't know, sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't, I guess, but still really awesome. Yeah, I don't know. But still really cool, really awesome. Sadly the roof does not come off, but I don't think it has to. And then we can open up the hood, and we can see the engine. It says Cadillac right there. And then we have the Cadillac logo right there. And then you can see with the front grille is actually made out of the roller skate pieces, the silver roller skate pieces, so that's pretty awesome. I really like these hubcap pieces. I also really love all the angles they got in this set. It was a fun set to build. Took me about 12 hours to build. By the way, it is the next day from when I got the Ghostbusters Saturday, so if you're wondering why I was in my pajamas, that clip, that's because I just woke up. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching so much. See you guys next time. Peace.